2026 Tesla Pi enters the scene with revolutionary technology that challenges everything we know about mobile devices and pushes innovation beyond imagination. Built by Tesla, this device is not just another smartphone, but a powerful ecosystem tool designed to integrate seamlessly with advanced technology. Artificial T is not just another smart scan graduating over opinionness. The Tesla Pi is rumored to redefine performance, design, and user experience by combining cutting-edge hardware with futuristic features that feel like they belong to a completely different era. One of the most exciting aspects of the Tesla Pi is its design philosophy, which focuses on durability and elegance at the same time. The device is expected to feature a highly resilient body that can withstand extreme environments while maintaining a sleek and premium look. With a nearly bezel-less display and advanced materials, the phone offers both beauty and strength. The display itself is expected to use next-generation OLED technology, delivering ultra-high-resolution visuals with unmatched brightness and color accuracy, making it ideal for content creators, gamers, and everyday users. Performance is where the Tesla Pi truly stands out, as it is rumored to be powered by a custom-designed processor optimized for speed, efficiency, and artificial precision. This chip is expected to outperform traditional smartphone processors by a significant margin, allowing seamless multitasking, lightning-fast app launches, and smooth gaming experiences even with the most demanding applications. Combined with massive RAM and storage options, the Tesla Pi ensures that users will never face lag or limitations. Another groundbreaking feature is its deep integration with satellite connectivity, allowing users to stay connected even in remote areas where traditional networks fail. This makes the Tesla Pi a perfect device for travelers, adventurers, and professionals who require reliable communication at all times. The phone is expected to support global satellite internet services, enabling fast data speeds without relying solely on cellular towers, which could completely transform how we think about mobile connectivity. The camera system on the Tesla Pi is designed to compete with professional-level equipment, offering stunning image quality and advanced computation paradigmatically. With multiple high-resolution sensors and AI-powered enhancements, users can capture breathtaking photos and videos in any lighting condition. Night photography is expected to reach new heights with enhanced clarity, detail, and reduced noise, making every shot look professional. Video recording capabilities will also include ultra-high-definition formats with cinematic stabilization and real-time editing tools. Battery technology is another area where the Tesla Pi is set to dominate, as it is rumored to feature solar charging capabilities, allowing users to recharge their device using sunlight. This innovation could significantly reduce dependency on traditional charging methods and provide convenience for users on the go. In addition, the battery itself is expected to deliver extended usage time, ensuring that the phone lasts longer than most competitors, even under heavy usage conditions. The Tesla Pi also introduces advanced neural interface concepts, which could allow users to interact with their device in entirely new ways. While still in early stages, this technology hints at a future where smartphones can be controlled through gestures, voice commands, and even thought-based interactions. This level of innovation positions the Tesla Pi as more than just a communication device, turning it into a gateway for human-technology interaction. Security and privacy are also key priorities with the Tesla Pi, as it is expected to include advanced biometric systems and encrypted data protection, ensuring that user information remains safe from facial recognition to fingerprint scanning and beyond. The phone aims to provide multiple layers of security without compromising convenience. This makes it an ideal choice for users who value both innovation and protection. Gaming and entertainment on the Tesla Pi are expected to reach a new level with support for cloud gaming, augmented reality, and immersive experiences. The powerful hardware combined with high-speed connectivity allows users to enjoy console-level gaming directly on their device without the need for additional equipment. This transforms the smartphone into a portable entertainment hub capable of delivering experiences that were once limited to high-end systems. The integration with smart vehicles and other devices is another highlight, as the Tesla Pi is designed to work seamlessly with modern technology ecosystems. Users can control vehicles, access real-time data, and interact with smart home devices directly from their phone, creating a unified digital experience. This level of connectivity enhances convenience and efficiency, making everyday tasks simpler and more intuitive. As we move forward into a future driven by technology, the Tesla Pi represents a bold step toward innovation and transformation. It challenges traditional smartphone designs and introduces features that redefine what a mobile device can achieve. From satellite connectivity to solar charging and advanced AI capabilities, the Tesla Pi sets a new benchmark for the industry and inspires other manufacturers to push their limits. This device is not just about features, but about changing how people interact with technology and how devices integrate into our daily lives. The Tesla Pi is expected to influence future developments in smartphones and beyond, setting trends that will shape the next generation of devices. For tech enthusiasts and innovators, this is a glimpse into what the future holds and how rapidly technology is evolving. If you are excited about the future of smartphones and want to stay updated with the latest innovations, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and updates on cutting-edge technology like the Tesla Pi.